Why you not put in the one plastic, this one? Put plastic. This in your hands. It's okay. Oh my God. Hindi niya sinirado. Silipin natin si Romano. Nandun sa labas. Tahan natin guys. Napakasarap ng araw. Naglinis siya ng sasakyan guys. Ibigay natin to guys. Kasi kailangan daw niya to sa sasakyan. So let's go. Ayan. Magpa-vlog ako ngayon guys. Then may iba-vlog. Ayan. Close natin. Tingnan natin si Romano. Dami ng mandarin guys. Oh. At saka lemon. Yan. Hello. Chipats. Chipats.
In the car.
Okay. It's here, okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going the up and clean also there, okay?
Huh?
I'm going the up and clean also there, okay?
Okay.
You need something?
No, need nothing.
Okay. I bring this one there. That one, okay?
What?
Your slipper.
This, yes, but another no.
Of course.
Only the coffee and the stick.
Okay. Okay. Love you.
I love you, Baba.
Love you, my loves.
I love you, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Hmm?
I'm gonna. Ayan yung chinilas niya, guys. Saka coffee. You want something? No?
No.
Okay.
If you coming, give me my coffee.
Your coffee?
I
Okay.
have the other.
Okay. Hi, Kalbo!
Hello.
Linis time si Kalbo, oh. Galing. Wow, char. Yan, after linis ng car niya, yan, naglinis ulit ng windows. Hi, Kalbo.
Hello, Baba.
Yan. Yan daw. Wala na yung ano pang linis niya. Hi, Kalbo.
Hello.
After cleaning the windows, you mop the floor. Oh, wow.
No dust.
Yes, because of you. I love you.
I love you. No. Blah, blah, blah,
Yeah. Kagwapo sa ako, baby. Hi, Kalbo.
because... Hello.